We often get requests for desserts that are easy to throw together, but still look company fancy. Well, we're listening to you, which is why we came up with a spin-off of a Southern classic. So if you're ready, let's get going. We start by mixing a few boxes of banana pudding mix with some milk and stirring it until it thickens up. Once it does, we fold in some whipped topping and some sour cream. The combo of these, along with the pudding, will make our dessert decadently delicious. Now we line the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish with some vanilla wafers that we've broken up and spoon about half of our pudding mixture over them. On goes a layer of freshly sliced bananas that we toss with a bit of lemon juice to prevent them from browning. Now the rest of the pudding mixture goes on and we finish it with more wafers. That's it. Maybe fancy it up with some extra whipped topping and banana slices to make it picture perfect. To get your hands on this easy recipe, simply visit our website and look for Banana Pudding Dream. I'm sure you'll fall in love with it. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a dreamy, creamy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Very dreamy.